speak are in fear. Some have to change cars. Many of them are not even sleeping at their homes because of the state of panic. Right now, there are some of our comrades who we are looking for. We don't know where they are because yesterday there was a threat that they could be picked up, but we are still trying to call their phones and they are not reachable. We don't know exactly what is happening. So this is a situation that is ongoing in NUP and in our country. You can imagine these harmless, wonderful ladies who sit on our election management committee. Why would they be held in a military facility? Why? And for us, we believe that it was after exposing them, because as you can see, that car had a tracker. So after they realized that the car tracker had pointed out exactly where they were, we believe that is why even that car was removed from that facility, because the car was able to show that they were being held at CMI. Remember, the whole day yesterday we were trying to ask them where these people were, and they kept saying that they did not have them. So it was after the issue of the tracker was exposed that these people at Mbuya, that they came out to say that. But you can see what we've been telling you. These are the things they've been doing to our foot soldiers and many other people that they abduct. They are always asking them, who funds NUP? What is your next plan? What are you planning to do? Why do you have a lot of support? And all those other ridiculous questions they ask. Right now, we are still looking for a head of mobilization, Chairman Nyanzi Fred Sentam. You all know that he was taken away all these days back, the 4th day now. And up to now, his family, his friends, all of us as a party, we don't know where he is. We moved to police stations. We have moved to different prisons. We've moved to different facilities. Our teams have been there, and no one can account for Chairman Nyanzi. And like I said before that, they took away some of the comrades from Nasana and other places, and the abductions are still ongoing. And of course, like they have said, one of the comrades, Rovans, was severely hurt, his eye. So we know that they must be going under so much torture, and we demand for the immediate release of these our people, because these are not criminals. They did not commit any offense. They have been in detention now more than 48 hours. Chairman Nyanzi, almost twice as much time. And up to now, you know, no one knows where he is. You remember there was even a video which showed while he was being taken away, there was a police van which was scaring away people. There were shootings and all that. So we condemn all these violations that are ongoing, and we pray that the people of Uganda will rise to the occasion and put an end to this madness.
SG, my last in English. One, since you issued 48-hour issue, you as leaders in a party and your comrades in United Forces of Change, these people are continuing to provoke you as opposition. What next?
No, that one we shall address it as United Forces of Change. We are still meeting to agree on the other steps. You saw us come together for the prayers. Now we've been informed that these people have sneaked Dr. Bessie at Nakawa to charge him with treason and all that. So the state of impunity is still ongoing, and we are talking amongst ourselves as the Forces of Change to see what next steps we shall undertake to bring an end to this madness. Thank you.
Uganda.
Ya baseo ne banyabo loza mulaba government ya Museveni wetuuse okusobola okuwamba abakyala abwe bati abekitiibwa abatayina musango gonna gwe bakoze, ng'okimanyi bulungi nnyo nti bano ba civilian oba bantu bafa babulijjo naye ne babatwala Mbuya ku CMI kati gye bayita DIS. Kakati bano babaddeeyo naye singa omukyalo ono kubanga bwe bamukuba ndowooza ne kimuleetera stress n'afuna obuzibu obwo, era tulowooza nti singa si ekyo n'okuba nti tubalabisiza ne tulaga emmotoka eyo tracker nti yali Mbuya, oba oli awo ne bwe twogerera baali badde bakyaliyo, kubanga abasajja be babamba nabo Rovans wamu ne Edi Kayabula nabo tetunabalabako. Chairman Nyanzi gwe basooka okuwamba naye tetunamulabako, naye nga tebanawamba ne Chairman Nyanzi basooka ne bawamba abantu baffe okuva Nansana n'ebitundu ebirala. So tubanja bano abantu baffe kubanga tebalina musango gonna gwe bakoze. Naye ekirala tuba tugamba buli lunaku nti bwe tubanga tukoze omusango gonna polisi bamanyi weri batuyite ku CID tugende twenyonyoleko. mu kifo ky'okuwamba abantu jo mwalabye families nga ne family ya Maswa Lukamba kya personal waffe wakakiiko ng'eyogera kati omuntu bambuzaawo mu ngeri eyo kakati tubadde tubagamba buli lunaku nti abalala abatakolera regime ya Museveni bwe banaavaayo nga batandise okuwamba abantu kati bannansi banaategeera batya nti ono awambiddwa babyakwerinda ono awambiddwa abantu abalala bakyamu kati lyeggwanga lyaffe eryo tutambuliramu nti enkya abantu bayinza okuba n'obuzibu n'omuntu era bakubanja ssente oba mwakayanira ki kyonna kyonna ne bajja ne bakuwamba ne bakubuzaawo nga teri ategedde abantu ne babeerawo mu kweraliikirira nga babuuza ali ku CMI ali ku poliisi ali ku crime intelligence ali mu ISO ali luddawa nga teri ategeera kyekigenda mu maaso so tugenda mu maaso n'okubanja abantu baffe gwe mulamu omukulu.